Welcome everyone to our channel DWPSS. Today's video is very informative, so don't miss it. If you are new on this channel and if you have not subscribed to the channel before, then subscribe it, because we are the ones who bring informative videos for you. When I put the word skyscraper in front of you, what can you imagine? Many towers and many flats and shops on their floors, right? But I wonder if there is such a skyscraper in the world which is called the world's thinnest skyscraper. Yes, you heard it right, world's thinnest skyscraper. Watch the video till the end for details and floor plans. Let's watch the full video to understand. First point. Architectural design of Steinway Tower. Introduction. The Steinway Tower, located at 111 West 57th Street in New York City, is a notable landmark known for being the world's thinnest skyscraper. The architectural design of the Steinway Tower offers a unique blend of historical references and modern innovation, making it a standout structure in the Manhattan skyline. Historical influences. The design of the Steinway Tower draws inspiration from the legacy of the Steinway Hall, a historical piano showroom located nearby. The tower's terracotta facade pays homage to the architectural style of the original Steinway building, preserving a connection to the musical heritage of the area. Height-to-width ratio. One of the most striking features of the Steinway Tower is its slender profile, with a height-to-width ratio of approximately 24 hours 1 minute. This extreme slenderness sets the tower apart from other skyscrapers in the city and poses unique challenges in terms of structural design and stability. Materials and construction. The materials used in the construction of the Steinway Tower are carefully selected to ensure both aesthetics and functionality. The terracotta facade not only references the historical context but also provides a durable and visually appealing exterior. The structural system of the tower incorporates advanced engineering techniques to support the slender design and withstand the forces of wind and gravity. Sustainability considerations. In addition to its innovative design, the Steinway Tower also includes sustainable features aimed at reducing its environmental impact. These may include energy-efficient systems, green building materials, and strategies for natural light and ventilation, contributing to the overall sustainability of the building. Second point. Engineering marvels of the world's thinnest skyscraper. Introduction. The Steinway Tower, also known as 111 West 57th Street, is renowned for being the world's thinnest skyscraper. This engineering marvel in New York City showcases innovative design and construction techniques that have pushed the boundaries of what is possible in skyscraper architecture. Let's delve into the incredible engineering features that make the Steinway Tower a truly unique structure. Slim silhouette. The Steinway Tower is an incredibly slender skyscraper with a width-to-height ratio that sets it apart from other buildings in the skyline. Its sleek design and minimal footprint make it a standout example of modern architectural engineering. Structural engineering. One of the key engineering challenges of the Steinway Tower was ensuring its stability and structural integrity despite its narrow width. Engineers utilized advanced materials and construction methods to achieve this, including a reinforced concrete core that provides crucial support to the building. Height-to-width ratio. The height-to-width ratio of the Steinway Tower is unprecedented, requiring meticulous planning and calculations to ensure that the structure could withstand wind forces and other external pressures. Advanced computer simulations and modeling were used to optimize the building's design and ensure its safety. Wind resistance. Tall, slender buildings are particularly susceptible to wind-induced vibrations, which can affect the comfort of occupants and the overall safety of the structure. The designers of the Steinway Tower implemented innovative damping systems and aerodynamic features to mitigate the effects of wind forces and enhance the building's stability. Materials and construction techniques. The materials used in the construction of the Steinway Tower were carefully chosen for their strength, durability, and aesthetic qualities. Advanced fabrication techniques and construction methodologies were employed to ensure precision and quality in every aspect of the building's construction. Sustainability. In addition to its striking design and engineering prowess, the Steinway Tower incorporates sustainability features that minimize its environmental impact. Energy-efficient systems, green building materials, and thoughtful design elements contribute to the building's overall sustainability and efficiency. Third point. Historical significance and cultural impact of Steinway Tower. Background. The Steinway Tower, also known as 111 West 57th Street, is a residential skyscraper located in Midtown Manhattan, New York City. It is not only renowned for its stunning design and luxurious amenities but also holds significant historical and cultural importance. Historical significance. Architectural innovation. The Steinway Tower is notable for its architectural innovation, as it is the world's thinnest skyscraper with a width-to-height ratio of 1:23. This unique design was achieved through a combination of cutting-edge engineering techniques and materials, challenging traditional norms in skyscraper construction. Preservation of history. Adjoining the Steinway Hall, a historic piano showroom and concert hall, the Steinway Tower pays homage to the building's musical heritage. By integrating the modern tower with the historic structure, it showcases a harmonious blend of past and present, preserving the legacy of the original Steinway building. Iconic landmark. Since its completion in 2020, the Steinway Tower has become an iconic landmark in the New York City skyline. Its striking presence and slender profile symbolize innovation and modernity, contributing to the city's architectural diversity and cultural significance. Cultural impact. Artistic inspiration. The design of the Steinway Tower has inspired artists and architects around the world, serving as a testament to human creativity and ingenuity. Its sleek silhouette and contemporary aesthetic have influenced the architectural landscape, sparking new trends in skyscraper design. Economic influence. As a luxury residential building in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in Manhattan, the Steinway Tower has had a significant economic impact on the surrounding area. Its presence has elevated property values and attracted affluent residents, contributing to the neighborhood's status as a desirable and exclusive enclave. Community engagement. The Steinway Tower has also played a role in fostering community engagement through its cultural events and outreach programs. By hosting art exhibitions, musical performances, and educational initiatives, the tower serves as a cultural hub that brings people together and enriches the local community.